Hello, this is Bini here. A long time since I recorded a video. Some viewers asked how long can the market goes up. Actually, it's very difficult to tell, but I thought that today I want to highlight a little bit more on the STI, which is the Straits Times Index, as well as the Hang Seng Index on what's up in the market. Now, if you follow my content, there is a concept which is called wash and rinse. Now, wash and rinse basically means that, let's say for example, I have price that make a high and make a high, and then at this point here, price exceeded the previous high, but it didn't stay above it. In fact, it closed back down. So this is a point that it closed back down. Let me just draw that nicer. So we call this a resistance level. This one is resistance level. This is a resistance level. And then somewhere along this point here, a resistance had been broken, but instead of staying above it, which is a valid breakout, then price actually stayed below it, which is currently what might be happening right now. And if it successfully closed below it, then the whole pattern here will be labeled as a wash and rinse pattern. Now, if you need to know more about wash and rinse, remember to watch my past video, which I've included in the comment as a link. Now, same thing if we take a look at HSI, which is the Hang Seng Index, then yes, the wash and rinse happened, and it happened somewhere around here. So this was the high, this was a high, and price has broken out somewhere around here, but you can see that price actually moved back down. And in Hang Seng Index, then it is near a trend line, which is the trend line resistance, and currently it might be mapping out a reversal pattern like this, which is a head and shoulder pattern. Then the next question that you might be asking is that, well, if this might be a bearish move, but yet you are still positive about the stock market, then what can you do? The answer will be hedging. And in this video, I'll be talking about hedging. Why hedge? First, why do we even need to hedge? 3 reasons. 1, market can drop, even your strongest holding. 2, sometimes you just can't sell. Maybe it's CPF stocks, maybe there's a vesting period, or maybe there's tax reasons. 3, you still need protection. Hedging lets you reduce your downside risk without touching your long-term positions. What are the tools do we have on SGX? 2 of them, DLCs and warrants. Both can be bought and sold just like a regular stock through your broker. A DLC or daily leverage certificates has a short version that rises when the stock falls. It comes with leverage 3 times, 5 times, even 7 times. It's available in stocks and indexes as well, and it has an expiry of up to 3 years. Because it rebalances daily, it works best for short-term hedging. A put warrant works similarly. It goes up when the stock goes down. It has a fixed expiry date ranging from weeks to months. The best part, it's very affordable, sometimes just cents per warrant. Let me walk you through a real example. Say you hold 10,000 DBS shares at $38 each. That's 380,000 worth of exposure. You think the market might dip short term, but you don't want to sell. Step 1, you can buy a 3 times short DBS DLC or a DBS put warrant on SGX. Step 2, DBS drop 5%. Your shares lose about 19,000 in value, but your DLC gains roughly 15 times. Step 3, that profit offsets your loss. You don't need a perfect hedge, even a partial one makes a big difference. To wrap up, hedging lets you protect your portfolio without selling. SGX gives you 2 easy tools, DLCs and put warrants, both tradable through any regular brokerage account. DLCs are great for short to medium term hedges with leverage. Put warrants are low cost, sometimes just cents, for defined protection window. I hope that you liked this video. Remember to click the subscribe button and also to watch the wash and rinse video and to follow my channel because I update a lot on the market real time. See you next time.